Have you ever wondered how your WhatsApp message reaches your friend instantly or how you stream videos from YouTube? The answer is simple: networks. Today, let's understand what a network is and the different types of network in the simplest way possible. What is a network? A network is basically a connection between two or more devices so they can share information and resources. Think of it like a group of friends talking to each other. Only here, devices like laptops, phones, and servers communicate using signals and rules called protocols. Why networks matter? Networks allow us to send emails, browse websites, store files in the cloud, or even print documents from a shared printer. In short, they make communication and resource sharing possible. Types of networks. Now, let's look at the types of networks based on their coverage area. PAN, Personal Area Network. LAN, Local Area Network. MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. And WAN, Wide Area Network. So, PAN is a very short range network, like Bluetooth between your phone and headphones or your mobile hotspot. LAN refers to a small area like your home, office, or school where all computers are connected to one router or switch. MAN covers a city or large campus, usually managed by service providers. And finally, WAN covers huge distances, even across countries. The best example is the internet itself. So, a network is just a way of connecting devices, and depending on the size and distance, we call it PAN, LAN, MAN, or WAN. In the next video, we will dive into the devices that make these networks work, like routers, switches, and firewalls. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech explainers. See you in the next one.